Hi guys! Today I'm making you a one-pot sausage, rice, and vegetable dish. One-pot meals are so simple to make and perfect for weeknights. And of course this is a complete dish because you have rice, protein, and vegetables. Especially with this cooler weather, it's a hearty, satisfying dish. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. You can use any kind of sausage for this recipe, including plant-based sausages. Long grain white rice. We'll also need some diced yellow onion, red bell pepper cut up, green bell pepper cut up, crushed tomatoes or tomato sauce, and beans. I'm using black-eyed peas because they're my absolute favorite. You can substitute another type of bean, like black bean or pinto beans. Just make sure they're already cooked. These are canned. I just rinse them and drain them. For seasonings, we'll need some garlic powder, dried oregano, dried thyme, paprika, and for heat, cayenne powder or any red chili powder. I like to use a wide pan for this recipe. This is enameled cast iron. If you want to get this pan, I'll put a link right below the video. Heat up the pan and add a couple of tablespoons of oil. I'm using olive oil. You can also use vegetable oil or canola oil. If you're using sausage that's very fatty, reduce the amount of oil. Add the sausage. We're just going to brown the sausage for a few minutes. About 3 minutes on each side until golden brown. The sausage will finish cooking later with the rice. When they're brown, just remove the sausage and put it aside on a plate. If it's a very fat piece like this, then just sear on this side too. We have just the right amount of oil to saute the onions and bell peppers. If you have too much, remove some from the pan. You need about 3-4 tablespoons. Add the chopped onion. Saute until soft. If there are any brown bits from the sausage in the bottom of the pan, the onion will pick it all up. The onions are soft. Now we can add the bell peppers, red, and the green. Saute this just for a minute. Now we'll add all the spices. And be careful with the salt because most sausages that you buy are already heavily salted. Garlic powder. Dried oregano. Just crush the oregano in your palms. Dried thyme. Paprika. You can use smoked or sweet, whatever you have. And cayenne powder for heat. The heat level's up to you, of course. Mix that all up. Cook just for about 30 seconds so the spices lose their raw flavor. Now we can add the rice. Make sure to wash the rice. We'll add the tomatoes. Water. You can use some of the water to rinse out your tomatoes. And the drained beans. Let's mix this up. Taste the liquid at this point and add more salt if you need to. And let's not forget about the sausage. Stir that in. And bring this to a boil. The pot's come up to a full boil. Now we can cover it, turn the heat down, and simmer for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes are up. You can just check to see that all the water has been absorbed. It has pretty much. Just check some of the rice to make sure it's cooked. It's 95% cooked. So all you do at this point is turn the heat off. Cover the pot and leave it alone for 5 minutes. I do want to tell you about a giveaway I'm doing on my other channel, Best Kitchen Reviews. You can enter to win for a free Bosch Universal Mixer. I'll put a link to that video below in case you want to enter and have a chance to win a brand new mixer, especially with the holidays coming up and all the baking you're going to do. After 5 minutes, it tastes perfect. For using humble sausage, this dish looks absolutely beautiful. If you want some fresh green on top, add chopped cilantro or parsley. Nothing sticks to the bottom and the rice is cooked perfectly. I love using smoked paprika in this recipe. If you're using smoked sausage, you don't need to use smoked paprika. You could just use regular paprika. It's such a flavorful rice dish with the thyme and the oregano, garlic powder, chili powder, paprika, and of course the browned sausage gives off a lot of its own flavors. Give this easy dinner recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.